please mind the gap between the
Yeah,
train
you've got
and the
LNER
platform.
Century to London King's
The
Cross.
next train to arrive
Currently
at
being
platform
held up
6
with a broken rail.
55 Northern service to Carlisle
Century.
via Hexham.
Celebrating 100th anniversary.
Gateshead Metro Centre.
Today's day of the 200th anniversary of Network Rail. We've got LNER service to Edinburgh Waverley, next up Berwick, next up Century, next up Durham.
Carlisle. This train has 4 coaches.
800, 100, 800, 102, 801, 228.
There's been a platform change for the 12:52 LNER Azuma service to London
There you go.
King's Cross.
You've just got a
Which will
constant
now
change.
leave from platform 4.
Yeah, we've got Nova service coming in.
Platform 6 for the 12:55 Northern service to Carlisle via Hexham. Calling at Gateshead Metro Centre, Wylam, Prada,
Oh.
Stocksfield, Riding Mill, Corbridge, Hexham,
Century's over here.
Bridge, Barden Mill, Altwhistle and Carlisle. This train has 4
Century's out of here. Gonna race it down to the bottom. Bye bye, guys. See you in the next video.